Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to look at taking basic text. We're going to reformat it using some new features in Canva, round it out just a little bit, and then we'll add some graphics to make it look like a really cool logo. All this in about 4 minutes. Come and watch. Let's get started. Let's start by getting our three headers in here. We'll start with the snorkel. All right, I'm going to duplicate this, put one on top, duplicate it again, put one on bottom. All right, and on top we had Oahu. I'm going to make that lowercase, and Maui. And on the bottom we had the larger names, Hawaii. Put a couple spaces in between, and Kauai. Okay, now we got our basic text on here. Let's start by adjusting these. If we go into Effects, selecting the top box, you'll see in this Advanced section, they have this Cosmic group. So I like that. And I'm going to make the font quite a bit bigger to about 130. All right. Now, let's do the exact same thing down below by using that Copy Style brush. All right, that looks good. The next thing we want to do is we want to add an effect, and you can find that in your standard area. The top one will go like so, just hit curved. We want to reduce this to about 60 is where I think it looks pretty good. And then we do the same thing on the bottom, only now it's a -60. There we go. And then again, I'm just going to fidget this a bit. All right, so that's our top text and our bottom text. Let's work on the middle text here. This text, we're going to make about 125. So technically, it's just smaller. We get them positioned on the middle, just so. We want to tighten the letter spacing. Do something like that. And we want a better font. And I'm going to use this one, just a little bit better. We're going to go into Effects, and oops, we're not quite ready for that. We're going to duplicate it, line them exactly up, then go into Effects, choose the hollow, and move this thickness down to 0. All right, that's getting us really, really close. Now, let's add the extra little snorkel effect. So here's our snorkeler. She's looking pretty good. We get her in there. I'm going to rotate her just a little bit. And we want to go to position. We're going to move her above that solid layer so that you can see the outline from the hollow one coming through. And it makes it easier to read, gives a nice effect here. All right, the other thing we want to do is we want to outline this with an oval. So I've selected this guy from some prior attempts. I'm going to flip him just because I wanted to have this area over here. Let's make him nice and big. So more or less lines it up. Maybe go a little smaller. There we go. Now we go back in here to position. We're going to put him down here basically on the bottom. Becomes our default background. That color is not bad, but I kind of had pre-selected this color when I was practicing and getting ready for the video. There you have it. Nice, easy logo design, curved text, a little bit of graphic in the middle. I hope you enjoy it. I sure appreciate you watching, and we will talk to you next time.